Alright, so today I will show you how to use your phone's mic on your laptop. So for that, you just need to go to your Android phone first and install this app. So after installing this app, you just need to open your Google and I'll just go here and type your mic and hit enter. So go on to this first website and it will, and here is the download section. We go there. And first you need to install this VC runtime, and then you need to download this installer. And after the downloading the installer, it is being downloaded. It is of very small size, around 1 MB. And then you need to just open this file, and I will click here open, and I will allow it and select language English, and after that click on next, and let it be the default settings, and I will just install it. So it will ask me to reboot. Now I have restarted my PC and I will open the app. So before that, I just need to go to my Android, and here I will just click on this play button, and I will do one more setting. You have here transport modes. So for me, you can select anything, but for me, I am just selecting the USB. And now I will go here and connection option and click on connect. So it says all the instructions here, and I'll just click on connect. So it says connecting. So it is connected here finally. And now what we're going to do is go to sound settings. I will search here sound. And here I can see WO mic device. So now I am using my WO mic here. So currently this audio is coming from my Android phone, and this is the way you can use this WO mic client, and this is the application. And after you are done with the connection, you can just click on disconnect. I'm back to my laptop's mic and I can close this application. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.